What our next question says? Well, next question says consider the following class definition. It has two classes, class mystery, class mystery 2. Well, class mystery has a constructor which prints something. Generally, it don't happen that we are printing something in the constructor, but it's okay. It is just an example. We'll consider it. So after this constructor, there is a void demo method, which again prints something. After that, we have a mystery2 class, which is inherited from the class mystery. It again has a constructor which prints something and then a overridden method demo, which first prints something and then calls the super demo method. Now, what the question is what output is produced by running the following code in the class other than mystery or mystery2? So here we will execute this code. What is happening here? We are creating a constructor of type or class mystery2. Now, since this mystery2 is a class which is inherited from mystery, by default, the control will go to the mystery class constructor first, will print enigma, come back to this constructor of mystery class and print stumper. So that means our string, which is going to be the output string, will start from enigma stumper. So let's try to eliminate few of the options. Now, since it is starting with stumper challenge, we'll eliminate this. Stumper enigma, we'll eliminate this. And okay, here also we can eliminate this option E. Why? Because it is printing enigma challenge. But in our case, it should start with, our string should always start with enigma stumper. So we will eliminate option E as well. Now, we are left with only two options. Let's go back. Okay, see here, we are calling m1.demo. So m1.demo, here it will come. The control will come here. It will print challenge and then super.demo function method is being called. So it will bring a control here. So after challenge, it will print puzzle. So our final or the output string is enigma stumper challenge puzzle. So let's go here, enigma stumper challenge puzzle. So that means our option D is the correct option.